Hi, this is Jim McMechan, the service manager over at Wilson Hyundai with another Service Minute. Today I'd like to talk to you about the importance of keeping your tires properly inflated. Unfortunately, tires are something that most people don't think about until the tire pressure monitoring system has an indication on their dashboard. And that little symbol looks like a kind of deflated tire or a horseshoe with a little exclamation point inside of it. Whenever that light comes on or begins to flash, you'll know that one of your tires has about 5 pounds per square inch or PSI of pressure, either less or more than should be recommended by the manufacturer. So whenever that light comes on, if you'll bring it in, we'll be happy to do a complimentary check, put a little air in the tire, or see if you happen to have picked up a nail or a screw or something and you need a tire patched or replaced. Most of the time that's what happens. Now that light can also come on during colder weather. As the air expands and contracts inside the tire, you'll notice that sometimes will trigger, the colder weather will sometimes trigger the TPMS light. Tires are something that a lot of people don't really think about. You want to make sure that your tires are always properly inflated, and you need to regularly check them with a tire gauge. The normal tires on most Hyundai models are about 30 to 35 pounds PSI. And the technicians can check that, but if you'll regularly check them, that will improve your gas mileage and keep your tires wearing evenly as well. And also, if you don't keep them properly inflated, the pattern of the wear will change as well. In addition, Hyundai recommends a tire rotation every 7,500 miles. So each time you come in for an oil change at between 5 and 7,500 miles, we'd like to recommend that you have a tire rotation as well, so that you can keep the wear pattern evenly and get the most value out of your tires completely. So this is Jim McMechan with another Service Minute, and hope to see you next time. Thank you.